Hi, Mac Sheldon here. Welcome back to the shop. We're working on kind of a fun project today. Thought we'd show you what it is. A little different than what we've demonstrated in the past, and an alternative way to use the PantoRouter in, again, kind of a fun way. We're using these two vertical mortise and tenon templates as stops so that we run our guide bearing across the top of the template holder and stop it when they encounter each of the mortise and tenon templates. As long as we don't raise our handle, then it'll always stay in the same plane. The other thing we've done is that we've mounted some stop blocks on the table and a vacuum system, hold down system that we bought from Rockler. They're inexpensive and they seem to work really well. So I'll turn on the vacuum pump and we'll give it a shot.
We used the vacuum pads to hold down the cutting board to cut some grooves in the end for finger holds. We also put some feet in the bottom, and to do so we drilled some shallow depth holes using a forceps bit, and then made 3/4 inch dowels to be inserted into them. As you can see, we forgot to turn on the dust collection system for the first dowel, but after we got both dowels cut, we cut off little sections of them about 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters long, and inserted them into the holes that we'd cut with the forceps bit. Worked quite well. There's really no limit to what you can do with the PantoRouter, so check it out on our website and look at the specials page, because you never know what might be on sale or what kind of special offers we've got. Happy PantoRouting!